Hey there, travelers, thinking about capturing England's stunning landscapes with your drone? Well, before you take off, you need to know the laws. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about drone photography in England. First off, let's talk about the basics. In England, the Civil Aviation Authority, or CAA, regulates drone use. If your drone weighs more than 250 grams, you'll need to register it. This involves getting an operator ID and a flyer ID. The operator ID is for the person responsible for the drone, and the flyer ID is for the person flying it. Registering is pretty straightforward. Head over to the CAA website, fill in your details, and pay a small fee. After that, you'll need to pass a basic online test to get your flyer ID. Don't worry, it's not too hard, just some common sense questions about safety and regulations. Now, let's talk about where you can fly. In general, you need to keep your drone within your line of sight and below 120 meters. Avoid flying near airports, airfields, and restricted areas. And remember, you must stay at least 50 meters away from people, vehicles, and buildings not under your control. Want to fly in a specific location? You might need a permission from the landowner, especially in national parks or historic sites. For commercial use like professional photography or filming, you'll need an additional permit from the CAA. So, how do you get these permits? First, apply on the CAA website with details about your planned drone operations. You might need to show evidence of insurance and risk assessments. The process can take a few weeks, so plan ahead. And here's a pro tip: join local drone communities online. They're a great resource for tips on the best spots to fly and to stay updated on any changes in the law. Finally, always check for any temporary flight restrictions in the area you plan to fly. These can pop up for various reasons like events or emergency services operations. So, there you have it, a quick guide to flying your drone in England. Follow these rules and you'll have an amazing time capturing the beauty of this incredible country. Safe flying and happy travels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next one.